What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off highlight buttons in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements and then you will see a highlight buttons button. So if you want to turn on highlight buttons, then tap on this toggle button to turn it on. And if you want to turn off highlight buttons, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can turn on or turn off highlight buttons in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.